So something that I did once we initially lit the home, I wanted to highlight the trees lining the driveway, some of the really beautiful trees as you can see in the island of maple. I ended up coming back a few months later and I really wanted to add to it. I came out by here in the evening and I knew that it was missing something. So what we ended up doing is I ended up doubling up the crepe myrtles lining the driveway. And I also, one thing I wanted to do something different, which was backlight the maple on the house, silhouetting the maple, highlighting the retaining wall leading into the carport. And I also really wanted to showcase the large trees, as you can see behind me in the distance, to really show the expansiveness of his property. That's something we didn't do initially, and it kind of made the yard not feel quite as big as it actually was. So by doing that, it really shows how large this property was, and by highlighting some of those large trees, it just added that pop to the property. So those were some of the touches that, by doing some adjustments, once I see a project, something that's very common in lighting is seeing a design at night after it's done. There's always things that you tweak. Something very common is add-ons after the fact. Even at my own house, I started with the initial front of house, some of my favorite trees. Once I saw it at night, I was like, oh, now I definitely want to do further back into the backyard. Now I want to do these trees. So that's exactly what I did here, and I think it turned out perfect, and you'll see the results.